So today we'll be solving the daily question of fourth appeal, that is maximum nesting depth of parenthesis. Right. So it's an easy question and been asked in Bloomberg and Facebook 3 and 4 times. So what does the question state? So it's written a hell lot of here that a string is a valid parenthesis string denoted VPS if it meets the following condition, that if it is an empty string or a single character does not equal to this, or it can be written as AB. I will simply explain you can read this question from here. What the question state is that you need to find the length of the maximum depth which is possible. For example, for C here, the first bracket is opening here, the second opening is here, then one is closing. So if you see the depth of this one, it's only what 1 minus 1, so it will be 1 only, right? And in this case it will be 0, in this case it will be 1, right? So because two openings are here and one closing is there, so 2 minus 1 will be 1. And in this case, one open, second open, 4 opens, one has been closed and second one is closed. So you need to calculate the total depth which is possible. I will explain it to you again. See, here one is opening, second one is opening, one is closing. So you will just have to count the maximum opening and closing which are there. In this 8, why 8 is the maximum? Because two opening are here, two are here, and only one closing is here. So the maximum depth that it will get is 3. You can easily see 1 2 opening, 3 4 opening, and 1 closing. So the depth is 3. 4 minus 1 3, and you need to return that only, right? That's the main simple thought which we will be putting in this question. But the main reason behind is this is here 2 opening is there and 1 opening for this 8 is also there, so that's why 3 will be the answer. But how we will be approaching this question is pretty different. We will simply be counting the opening and closing parts, and that will simply return our answer, right? We will count the number of open and close, and that will surely give our answer. Let's see this example. I've created it. Here we will just have the open counter, open. So let's simply see this example. Here one opening is there, so what we will do, we will just count the difference between open and close counter. That's it. That will for sure give me the answer. So for this example, open will be 1. I just said that open will be 2 in this case, close will be 1, and you will be finding the maximum of open minus close. Here open minus close is 2 till this place, and again in this place it will be what? Open minus close will be 1, and again in this place 2 open will be there, so open value will be 4, so 4 minus close value is 1, so open minus 4 will be 3, and at this point you will reach your maximum and return 3. Still you will be finding until the string length is over. So at this place you will get open 4, at this place close will be 2, so difference will be 2, then again close will be 3, so difference will be 1, and at the end difference will be 0 because close is 4. So that's pretty simple. Let's see the code. Nothing much to say about it. It's been very easy question. You just need to find the end, that is the length of the string, int open, int close, and maxi, and you will traverse in the whole string, right? So if you get an open, then you do an open integer, like open. So the next part is else if the closing bracket is there, then you will do just the close plus plus, and at every instance you will be finding the maximum of difference of open minus close. That's pretty simple. We have done it, open minus close, and at the end you will just return the maxi which you have found it. Let's do this diagram on this example. So open here is 1, close will be also 1, so difference at end will be 0, but here 1, and initially 1, then 0, then again open 2, so maxi will become 2, and after that close are there 2, are totals 2, so it will again become 0. Again open is 3, and at this point at this point the open will be 3, and that's why output is 3, and then again close becomes 0, so that's why output is 3. So that is for the question, and that is the time complexity is O of n, big O of n, and we have not used any extra space, so space complexity is O of 1. So that's it for the question. I hope you liked it, and please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, ask in the comment.